I got some new makeup. I got the new Giorgio Armani concealers, and I was so compelled to just come and do a full makeup tutorial video with you guys, so I hope you enjoy.
Okay, so I thought I was recording and I was not recording. So, anyways, and now Zara's having a fit, but she was just fine. She was just fine the whole time. Okay, so I got some new makeup and I wanted to just come and just do a quick tutorial because I haven't got new makeup in a while. So I got these Giorgio Armani concealers. This is their new ones. I got 7.5 and I got 8. I actually just started putting my foundation on, which is the Il Makiage After Party Foundation, $1.95. Boom. To be honest, I was gonna mute this video and try to find some vibey ass music because I'm actually watching Jalissa. I love her videos. Don't know her personally, but she seems like a whole vibe. So I'm actually gonna mute this video, but you know, I hope you guys enjoy it still. I wish I could have like actually showed you guys my foundation, but I mean, let's get into the video.
If you're new to my channel, I actually don't put the foundation all the way to the top of my forehead, if you're wondering. But anyways, this is color number 8. And I don't know why my camera's out of focus, but this is color number 7.5 of the concealer. I decided to go with the 7.5 concealer because I felt like it was a little bit more orange, and I definitely have more of an orange yellow undertone. The number 8 I felt was like a little bit neutral, so that's why I chose this color. And initially, just putting the concealer on, it was very lightweight, very creamy, very easy to blend. And honestly, sometimes concealers don't really blend that well or mesh that well with like other foundations that are not from like the same company. But I found that this one was like effortlessly blending in, effortlessly blending in with my foundation. And I just felt like the coverage was definitely very nice. I do like full coverage concealers. I am definitely a full coverage mommy for sure. However, this was definitely buildable. So as you can see, I just wanted to give it a go to see if it was going to be like a buildable coverage. And for the most part it was. So this was my second go around. And again, it was super easy to just blend this out. And I just felt like I was able to just like honestly lightly tap it out, and it blended really nice, and I pretty much didn't even feel this concealer. It was super lightweight. But again, I said let me go in for a third time to see if I got any more coverage, and to be honest, I felt like after the second round, like that's as much coverage as you're gonna get, so you don't need to do 3 times like I did, but I just wanted to see. So yes, then I go in with my Laura Mercier powder. This one is actually a new one. I have my other one, and my like the original Laura Mercier Translucent Honey is a lot darker than this one. Not a lot, but it's more yellow than this one. This powder was a little bit more white, and I found that it didn't actually like blend in as easy as the other one did. I don't know. It still worked, but I definitely preferred the old formulation of this powder. But whatever, they're still the king of powder, so I'll still continue using it. Then I like to go on my Charlotte Tilbury. This bronzer is literally my favorite ever bronzer, like ever. Like that's why it's like a staple, and you will literally see it in like every video for like the last 2-3 years now. But this is why I don't put foundation on the top of my forehead, because like that area of my forehead is darker than the rest of my face, so it's just a waste of foundation at that point. So I just put the bronzer there and buff that in to my skin and buff that into the rest of the foundation. And then I like to go in with blush. Tres Luce is like one of my favorite blushes. I mean, it's like super pigmented. I had other colors, I don't know where they went, but this is like one of my fun summer colors. And even though we're like kind of moving into fall, like I still really love a good hot pink. It just depends what I'm wearing. But I just buff my blush and my bronzer really good into my foundation. That way you don't see like lines of demarcation, like that line that you've seen from the Laura Mercier powder is gone, you see, but you have to really like blend it in. Then for my brows, I didn't really do anything to my brows today. I just put like a little tip on the ends of my eyebrows, and that was it. And I used the Refri brow pencil. For lips, I was really simple. I just used a lip plumper from Il Makiage, and it's lights on. I don't know why my camera wasn't really banging with me today, was showing like the names of things. But anyways, I just followed up with my Mario Badescu spray, and as you can see, I did way too much, but it's okay. Just be patient. Don't crease your face if this happens. Just dry the heck out of your face, okay? Love this spray because it gives you like a nice like natural dewy look without looking like oily. So that is why that is my staple setting spray as well. But pretty much this is my final look, you guys. This is just an everyday simple makeup tutorial, and it's just everyday makeup. And you guys know, if you're like not new to my channel, I love a natural beat, I love a quick beat, I love a beat that's full coverage but still very much so looks like you. So yeah.
All right, you guys, so this was my quick makeup tutorial. I'm so excited because I actually got a new light, and I hope that this is pulling up beautifully because I definitely been trying to work on my lighting. So if you guys like the lighting of this video, definitely leave me a comment below, let me know. And you guys, I am definitely starting to try to post videos more. This has literally been like the longest hiatus I've really taken as far as like being consistently posting, but postpartum was ghetto. So I actually even wrote an ebook, my very first ebook, you guys, and I'm like super excited about it. I'm like finishing like the final touches on it, but basically it is going to be how to rediscover yourself after postpartum and during postpartum, because that was the biggest hurdle for me, and that's why I wasn't really posting, because I did suffer from postpartum depression, and now I'm back in my baddie phase. So it took, you know, some adjustments and different things. So I put like all my like advice in that ebook, and I'm really excited to share that with you guys eventually. So if you guys are interested in that, like my little heartfelt baby, definitely leave me a comment as well, because I'm definitely trying to figure out like how to like go about putting it out there. And you know, I've never wrote something before like this, so this one is like really important to me just because this is something where like for the first time in my life I've experienced some form of depression, and being able to bounce back out of it and come out stronger is like the biggest comeback ever. So I wanted to share what I did in order to get to this space, because becoming a mom is like the biggest life transition ever. But anyways, I don't want to go on a rant. I'm very excited to actually start posting again. I mean, I started my YouTube channel in 2006, so this has literally been my baby for like decades now. So I hope you guys have a marvelous day or night, whatever time it is, and I hope you guys are digging this new concealer. Like honestly, you guys, like so far so good. Like it blended so beautifully, and I'm digging it. If anything changes, I will come back and do a little update, but as of right now, I'm feeling it. It was like so lightweight, and it's not creasing, nothing, and it blended so flawlessly, and I love how it oxidized, so I have no complaints. But all right, I'm talking so much, and I'm running late, the usual. So I love you guys, and I hope you have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is, and I'll see you lovelies later. Bye. Also, I broke my nail. All right, bye.